Hey guys, today we are doing a homeschooling day in the life. It's summertime right now, so we don't have a full homeschool schedule because we're really just trying to wrap up language arts and continue with a little bit of math. So we're also doing our read out loud and things like that. So it's been a pretty productive morning. Woke up this morning, we slept in a little bit late to about 9 o'clock, which is late for a school day. And I did the laundry, I cleaned the house. We had guests yesterday and I was too tired at the end of the day to clean, so I did it this morning. I did groceries over the phone. I don't even go to the supermarket anymore. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing some lessons, wrapping it up, trying to get done before our homeschool evaluator gets in today to do the kids' annual evaluations. And in an upcoming video, I'm gonna interview her today. I'm gonna ask her some questions, some commonly asked questions about homeschool evaluations for anybody who has questions. So I'll be posting that video, so make sure to keep a lookout for that video. But you'll get just like a peek of what today is kind of gonna look like. So I was gonna do a whole like do it, get it done with me thing, but I was really short for time this morning and I had so much to do. So taking a little breather right now. It's already noon. We literally all just had breakfast though. We had late breakfasts, I guess. Dogs have been walked, all that, you know, stuff, all the things. So right now my son is doing a lesson on Beast Academy, and then my daughter is reading. We've been really into mermaids. We've been into the show on Amazon Prime. It's called H2O. It's the older version. And so Arilyn is really into mermaids right now. So we got a book called Mermaid School. Can I see it? Just got her this picture book, so she's gonna be reading this book today, Mermaid School. Okay, and then she also has, look Arilyn, did you realize that your book was a mermaid book? We had this from the beginning of the year. That's just a coincidence, her journal. And then I also got, this is gonna be like her bedtime read out loud. It's what is it called? Maybe a Mermaid. So we'll be reading this for like her bedtime story. But today for our read out loud together, we're reading Snow and Rose. I really like this story. It's really cute. Just let you know what we're doing as it happens. Okay, so let's take a look over at Aaron's math and see how that's going. You just finished. Can you open it back up so we can take a look at Beast Academy, please? Okay, so Aaron is doing, we're Beast Academy level 4. And he's on chapter 7 doing factors. Beast Academy level 4 is not 4th grade. I don't really think it goes by grade. I think if it would be grade level, it'd be more 5th grade. But what they're teaching is out of order from what they would be learning in school. For example, in school, he would have learned decimals and things like that. And we're not learning that yet until the end of, you can see here, the end of the chapter 4. He's not going to be doing fractions and decimals until the end of chapter 4. What's the matter? Why are you crying? What do you want? What? What? Got the other one started. So normally, I'm sorry guys, my dogs are playing. What I'm trying to tell you guys is that normally when we do a portfolio evaluation, then the kids have to read a sample to the evaluator, but today they're doing the RAT test, which is the, I'll tell you what it stands for in a second. I'm actually going to tell you what that is later because I just got a text from the evaluator that she moved the time closer. We'll be in an hour. She'll be here in an hour, so I do want to get some work done with the kids today before they have to do the whole test. Okay, so let's look over at Aaron really quickly. Let's see what he's doing. We'll read Snow and Rose tonight. I mean, not tonight, like after Miss Jen leaves, okay? Okay, so we are on lesson, Aaron is on lesson 102 for the Good and the Beautiful level 5 that we're wrapping up. And he's just reviewing interjections, homophones.
Yes.
You finished the book, sweetie? Good job. Using strong verbs. So making a weak verb, where is it, to a stronger verb. So he's got to practice that here. And actually he's going to be practicing that today. So normally we're trying to get him to do 2 lessons a day, because we want to be done by the end of June. So if he is able to do 2 lessons, we are also going to do literary devices. He's going to read this, underline all the similes. He's going to circle all the metaphors. Aaron, you can do this, it's not difficult. Underline the hyperboles. Another homophones. I usually have him skip some of them. I'll just let him do it. Okay, and then if he likes to do his watercoloring practice, he can do these pairs. Okay, so the evaluator got here. They're both gonna do their math at the same time, and then Arilyn's gonna go first for everything else. We're just gonna peek in over there. Okay, so while they are taking their tests, I'm gonna finish unloading the groceries. All right, got all the groceries put away. They did finish the math part of it. We are a little backed up in our schooling, like I said, in the math. So they did as much as they could with their math, and now Arilyn's in there with the evaluator, so she should do very good. They should do very good on the writing part and the reading part, and Arilyn should do really good on her math. Aaron's math is different the way the Beast Academy is set up, so I didn't expect him to like know certain things, because he will learn those things that were on the test, but not until the end of the unit, which it's gonna be going into 6th grade, still learning those things, because of kind of, like I said, we're kind of behind. So of course at this time, like the lawnmower people are here and the dog is barking, and I'm just trying to keep the house quiet so that the kids can focus. But we'll check in with the kids again after the next part of the evaluation. You finished?
Yeah.
How did you do? How was it?
Good, and I got stickers.
You got stickers?
Yeah.
Here's your stickers.
Done reading for the day.
She said she's done reading for the day. Did you have fun doing your test? Yeah. The evaluator basically said Arilyn killed it. She said that she did really good in her reading and comprehension, that she surpassed what a lot of kids do for her age. So we'll look at the results when we get those, and I'll kind of show you guys.
I did 12th grade stuff.
How you did 12th grade stuff? Do you think? We'll see. I'll show you guys the testing results when I get them, so you can see kind of how it's scored. Hi, I'm so proud of you. See, it wasn't bad at all, right? Now you get to play the rest of the day. Have fun. Mac and cheese is almost ready. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Great, baby.
Did you have to guess what the words were that were in the spelling part of it?
What do you mean? Like what the words, which
Yeah.
you pick a word that goes into a sentence?
Yeah.
Ah.
And I could choose any word.
Anyone?
I thought I was gonna get all of them wrong. I was like, oh no, I'm gonna get these all wrong. And I ended up getting all of them right.
Some chicken here. We're gonna put it in the fridge.
For you, I wouldn't be that smart. Nala.
You have to have more of a pink piece. Yeah?
Why is it so good? Except for one. Because Aaron, after you got all the food toys out, Aaron threw one in.
Oh, he did?
It's way warmer than yesterday.
Yeah, you want to get in later when Aaron gets out?
Feel it.
Oh my gosh, it really is warm. That's nice. You want me to blow that up for you?
Yeah, but first, come here. I want you to have proof that it's a girls' club.
Okay, so your room is the girls' club.
My room like Aaron does. He just walks into my room and I'm like, really?
He does that? Yeah? Without asking for permission?
He just walks into my room.
Really? What's that boy's problem?
But he doesn't let me walk to his room without permission.
Double standards. That's called a double standard.
What does that mean?
It means that he can do it, but you can't.
I can do it.
You hanging out? So what's awesome is after the evaluations are done, our evaluator actually emails the letters that you need straight to the district, and then she emails me a copy. So you get that taken care of right away. So I usually go ahead and print it, and then I put it in their portfolio. I always make a portfolio for the kids, even if we've done testing, just for my own records, and just in case of anything. we'll always have proof that we did homeschool. Oh, no.
Yeah. Good floaty.
Yeah, it does. So what happens now is Miss Jen goes home and she scores everything up, and then tonight she sends me the report.
She's gonna send you a good report. So Mom, first I had to do the ABCs. Well, it looks like a bunch of different letters, and she said, "Here, say the names of these." And I was like, easier words, then easier words, then easier words, then easier words, and easier.
All right, we're gonna play a game while we wait for Aaron.
This.
You wanna do that one?
Yeah, I love this game.
How about we do both?
Yeah.
Goblet Gobblers. I actually have a review on this video and a link in the description below, an affiliate link if you guys want to check out this game. It's a lot of fun. It's a twist on tic-tac-toe.
So basically, it's like you have your character. You can gobble up anyone's that is smaller than yours, and you can gobble up yours if you need to. Like if you think that someone's gonna gobble up your characters, like this one, if it tries and gobble up your character, you have to gobble up that character so they can't take this character away. Gobble.
I'm gonna let you in there.
You won.
Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row.
One space ahead.
And then with my wonderful evaluator, she has a trunk full of stuff. So she always takes me to the back and she gives me some free stuff. I get to go and sort it out. So we got this KiwiCo kit here, and I got 2 dividers for our homeschool stuff. So the evaluations are over. She will go through the result. She will get back with me tonight. And I have some stuff to show you as well as far as the evaluation.
One of the characters.
Oh, you got it already?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys played chess and he won.
I attacked her with
Don't get in yet. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. Did you do science?
science.
Was it just reading, writing, and math?
Yeah. But like a lot of different writing things and different reading things.
Like what kind of writing things?
And like math questions.
Like spelling though?
Yeah. I did spelling too.
Okay.
See.
How about, it's so hard to ask this kid any questions. What else?
Stuff.
I'm not gonna serve you mac and cheese until you tell me what you did.
I did tell you.
No.
I
you
need
gotta
mac and
tell
cheese.
me. Tell me what you did.
I need mac and cheese.
Tell me what you did.
Mac and cheese.
Okay.
Bye.
All right, I'm just making Aaron and I a little snack here. I have some Gouda cheese and some Fontina cheeses. And that way I'll sit outside, I'll put some music on. I'll make a mini charcuterie board here for Aaron and I. This is basically like what we do on a summer day when we have nowhere else to go. Now, don't go anywhere. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you their test results, or at least so you can see how they did. Not to brag or see, you know, make them feel bad or anything. I don't even know how they did, but just so you guys can see how the results would be for 2 of the tests. Okay guys, as promised, I have the test results here, and my children do not mind me showing you the result. Okay, so here you have the Woodcock Johnson 4, and this is the one that my son took. So the first thing you have here is a chart, and it has the different tasks that he was needing to complete, and then it explains exactly what that means. And then you have your scoring here: extremely limited, very limited, 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 average, average, average to advanced, advanced, and very advanced. And then it has the national percentile ranking. Okay, so you have a couple sheets here. So they look the same, but if you look at them in detail, it shows that it says this one, it says that Aaron ranked a rank of 85, that he scored higher than about 85% of 11-year-old children nationally. And then here it says he scored higher than about 83% of fifth graders nationally. So here is by his fifth grade age, fifth grade, and then this is his age. Okay, then you have a graph here. This is based on his age. It tells you the same topics here, okay? Then it has the chronological age, and then it shows what age level he's at for each thing. So for these different things, this is the age. This is like 14 years and 8 months. In the 8th month of his 14th year, so almost 15 years. So this is the age that he ranked in all of the different topics. And this is good because it shows where he's advanced, and then it shows any weaknesses that he has. Once again, it's not because of the math we use, it's just because we're behind on the actual level. And then the final report shows, once again, the same categories, but now this is by grade. This shows what grade level he is in for his different subjects. And then you have some more details, some qualitative observations, interpretive overview of scores, instructional recommendations, and it just tells me that he can gain most from reading instruction presented within the early 9th grade to college or university range, and his independent reading level is early 10th grade and below. So this is the reading level of which Aaron will gain the most whenever he's reading not under direct supervision. And then his math instruction, it says that within the middle 5th to middle 6th grade range may produce the greatest gains for Aaron. So I need to work on that math with him. So you also get a comprehensive report. And I was going over the results. There's a detailed interpretation of clusters and tests, which I'm highlighting so I can know anything that I should be advancing him on or working on. So I got to keep looking through this. And that's that. That is for the Woodcock-Johnson test, which also shows for gifted, except the evaluator is not qualified to diagnose for gifted. Now you have the RAT5, which is what my 6-year-old did. And this is a smaller test, a smaller version because she's younger. But it also shows, it shows math computation, spelling, word reading, and sentence comprehension, and reading composite. So it gives a raw score, a standard score, and all these different things here. So it shows that she did very high and extremely high, and then average in her spelling, which is something that we'll continue to work on. And then it says word read, there's comparisons here as well. You also get a standard profile, score profile. You get a little chart here, and still gotta look through this and see what it means exactly. So yeah, so that's it. Yeah, that's it. This shows she's in 2nd grade for math computation, spelling 1st grade 5th month, word reading 3rd grade 2nd month, sentence comprehension 3rd grade 1st month, and reading composite, there's no grade level, but it says extremely high. Make sure you watch the video when I post it here. That is going to give you some answers to the most commonly asked questions for homeschool evaluations if it's your first year. I also have a playlist here that is going to give you more information on looking inside the homeschool portfolio, what to put in there, how to put it together, and all that. I'm just going to give you a couple videos throughout this one. So that's about it. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.